Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicator on Meta 5. So the first thing you need to do is open Meta 5 on your PC or phone. Once it is open, go to the top left corner and click on View. Then scroll down and click on Navigator. After that, a tab will open. Now scroll down a little and find the section called Indicators. Click on it and you will see different type of indicators. For example, you will see trend indicators, oscillators, volumes, Bill Williams, and more. To add an indicator to your chart, just choose the type you want. For example, let us say you want to add an oscillator. Click on oscillators and you will see a list of available indicators. Now choose the one you want. For example, the stochastic oscillator. Then click and drag it onto your chart. Once you do that, the setting window will open. Here, you can adjust the setting as you like. After that, click OK. And your indicator will be added to the chart. If this video helped you, don't forget like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials.